Hi, it's Dr. Danyo here, talking about scalp micropigmentation. I've been doing scalp micropigmentation for about 4 years here in the office, and for 3.5 years I did all of the micropigmentation myself, using medically based pigments that were great initially, but unfortunately, because they're medically based, did not have long-standing results, meaning I would do the micropigmentation, people would be very happy for about 1 to 2 years, and then the pigment would start to fade. So for me, that was a major issue and something that I really looked into at different conferences, talking to different vendors, and found that unless we were kind of contracted with a different company or had kind of licensing arrangements, getting longer term dye was likely not an option in the medical setting. I then met Justin Chamberlain, who has been our main scalp micropigmentation technician for the last probably 6 to 9 months. He is an incredible addition to the practice and is extremely dedicated to scalp micropigmentation. He's been doing it now for about 6 years in a private practice, and he comes to my office on an as-needed basis, typically a couple times a week, working on our patients. He can do full head scalp micropigmentation if somebody's completely bald and would like to have a look of a shaved look, or can do fill in if there's existing hair, say down a hair part or hairline, or actually even the entire head. Now the key with Justin is his dedication and the detail to work. He does excellent work, and the other is the fact that he has a pigment that can last years, in fact up to 8 to 10 years if not more, so this arrangement has worked out well. Now the two of us here in the office work together. I do all of the anesthesia because scalp micropigmentation can be somewhat painful, and we work together as far as coming up with hairline designs and working to get the best results together. Justin is the main person though that does the scalp micropigmentation, and I have full confidence in him.